Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria and I will teach you this super beautiful golden eye makeup look today. I'm gonna start this look off with a concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Age concealer in the shade Light, and I'm using my Morphe brush to apply this product all over my eyelid. To set the concealer, I'm using my dry sponge, so I did not damp the beauty blender. Once you're done with the base, you just go ahead and apply some brow bone highlight, and for this I am using the shade N Light from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. For this eye makeup look, make sure you apply some tape so you get a really nice sharp outer corner. And taking the brush M441, I'm going to apply the first shade in my crease. The shade that I'm applying in my crease is called Creamsicle from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So you want to blend this shade in your upper crease, and that's why I'm using a really nice big fluffy brush to get a really nice soft edge between the highlight and the transition shade. Taking the brush M506, which is one of my most favorite blending brushes, it is a precise blending brush, and I'm going to apply the deeper shade, which is a darker orange shade, just below the last eyeshadow. So you can see I'm applying it direct in my crease, and the reason why I'm using a smaller brush is just so it doesn't look all messy. So you don't want to take a lot of eyeshadow at once because we are creating a really nice soft eye makeup look. So nothing too bold. What we want to do is you just go in the pan again and again until you have the desired pigmentation. Once we are done with the previous shade, we go in with a darker green eyeshadow. You can even use a dark brown eyeshadow for this look. And I'm going to apply this just below my crease, so where exactly my folds are, maybe just a bit higher. And then I'm going back and forth with the orange and the green until I have a really nice blending in my crease. So I'm switching between a smaller brush and a bigger brush. The bigger brush is focused on the orange transition shade, and the smaller brush is focused more on the darker green eyeshadow, so that I get a really nice even blend. Taking a small flat brush, you just want to cut the crease, and I'm cutting around 2/3 of my eye. So I'm just taking it really slow. You don't want to rush yourself with this step because if you mess it up, it's really hard to fix it, but not impossible. So just take your time with it. Taking this light golden, or you may say champagne, shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Next, I want to focus on my outer corner, and I want to blend the edge or the border between, the concealer, the golden eyeshadow, and the outer corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some of the transition shades on my outer corner. To give it a more smoky look, I'm just going ahead and apply a darker green eyeshadow in my outer corner, and I'm applying it with a flat brush, and then I'm just gonna blend it softly. For this look, I will be doing a really nice sharp winged eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX liquid liner, and this is not the matte one, but you can definitely go ahead, you just use any liquid liner you have. So you really want to take your time again for this step because we are working with liquid liner and we don't want to mess it up. So just make some really small strokes until you have the desired shape of your eyeliner. To give the eye a really nice sharp look, I'm applying this eyeliner in my inner corner, and I'm using the Epic Ink Liner by NYX Cosmetics. Taking a white pencil, you want to tightline your lower waterline, and after that we will just blend our lower lash line. For the lower lash line, you want to go ahead and apply the dark green eyeshadow closest to your lash line, and then just blend it out with your transition shades. With the shade Creamsicle, I'm just blending out my lower lash line, and once you're done with that, you want to apply some mascara and some falsies. I actually applied falsies off camera, and then that's it, you're done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the super cute bridal eye makeup look. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, I would like to mention that I offer online makeup classes, so if you are interested in that, make sure to leave me a DM on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.